Hello, this is a quick video to show how to triangular objects and triangular faces in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a torus, go to Add, Merge, and add the torus. And then I close up to view it. I want to show the wireframe, go to Overlay, and viewport overlays, we can check the box wireframe to show their quad face. If you want to change to triangle face, we can go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. And then go to Generate, we can choose Triangulate. So all the faces are changed to triangle, and then we can go to triangulate modifier. We can option to change the quad method. For example, we can use fixed. So if we are happy with the result, we can apply it. I press Ctrl Z to undo it and delete the modifier. If we want to triangulate individual faces, we can select the object and go to Edit Mode, and then choose Face Selection and select the face we want to make triangulate. I select the face loop, something like this. And then we can go to face and choose triangular faces. Or we can use shortcut Ctrl T to triangular faces. Same thing, we can go to the panel to choose the quad method. If we want to go back, we have the option to use tries to quad or Alt-J to go back to quad face. So this is how we can triangular objects and triangular faces in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.